Welcome to Square One Health. My name is Dr. Chris Gubbels. I'm the clinic director here, and I want to give you a brief overview of what you can expect on your first visit in our clinic. When you first come in, you'll be greeted by our receptionist, and she'll help you complete any paperwork that needs to be done before we start your actual exam. Then you're going to meet our case manager, and she's going to go into detail about your health history, what brought you in, what your concerns are, and what your real goals are. After meeting with the case manager, you're going to meet with one of our medical providers. It could be a nurse practitioner, it may be a chiropractor, and they're going to do a more detailed exam to find out what's actually causing your problem. They may order some additional diagnostic tests, such as an x-ray or ultrasound, to help find out what exactly is going on, and possibly even refer you out for other diagnostic tests like an MRI. You're going to notice that our office does lots of different services. You may notice our rehab techs working with patients. You could see traction equipment we use to reshape your spine. You may notice our decompression machine that we use to relieve back pain and radicular symptoms. And our office has lots of different services we offer because we have many different specialists working in the same clinic to make sure we can give our patients the absolute best care for whatever their main complaint is. Now, after your first visit, our team of treating providers will meet together to discuss exactly what brought you in, what they found in the exam, and as a team, what we feel the best treatment options are going to be for you. After your initial visit, you'll be set up for what's called a report of findings. On your report of findings, one of our healthcare providers will go over what we found in the exam, the results of all your tests, and what our best treatment recommendations are. Our case manager will then review the cost of treatment, what insurance covers, anything that's not covered by insurance, and what your treatment options are. Following your report of findings, that's when the healing will begin and we'll start your treatment. We believe that you will see our office as very detailed and very thorough. And we need to be that way to make sure we can provide the absolute best care available for all the conditions we treat. We truly look forward to meeting you on your initial visit.